Good morning.
Cake, cake is so sweet and nice with sugar, flour, and a little spice. Mix it up and bake it right. Cake, cake is such a delight. Cake, cake, yummy treat, soft and fluffy, can't be beat. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake, cake makes us merry. Frosting on top, creamy and smooth. A slice of cake puts us in the groove. Birthday parties are just for fun. Cake, cake for everyone. Cake, cake, yummy treat, soft and fluffy, can't be beat. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake, cake makes us merry. Frosting on top, creamy and smooth. A slice of cake puts us in the groove. Birthday parties are just for fun. Cake, cake for everyone. Cake, cake, yummy treat, soft and fluffy, can't be beat. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake, cake makes us merry. Sprinkles, cherries, and a candlelight. Cake, cake, every bite's just right. Share with friends, make a wish. Cake, cake, it's delish. Cake, cake, yummy treat, soft and fluffy, can't be beat. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry cake, cake makes us merry. Cake, cake, let's celebrate a perfect slice on every plate. Cake, cake, oh so sweet, our favorite treat to eat.
Pancake for breakfast. Ito na siya. Agad-agad. Pwede dito magsalang pa na ng dalawa-dalawa. Dalawa-dalawahin natin. Maluwang. Dalawahin natin para maluwag naman ang space. Dalawa-dalawahin kahit maliliit lang. Dalawang salang para ako sa loob. Ang ating pancake. Almusal namin. For this video. Pancake tayo for breakfast.
Daw pasulod ano?
Ito mo mabi.
Ha?
Ito.
Tao ba to?
Ambot nagbo-5. Pwede mo ba? Pancake. Dalawang salang tayo para mabilis matapos. Yummy, yummy. Sarap ng ano to sauce. Aking pancake. May piraso na nagagawa. Ano na piraso na? Ito yun. Pancake. Ayan. One. Dalawa na lang. Dalawang salang pa. Nalagyan ng sauce. Ayun, sauce. Masarap na matamis. Ayan, talubang. Ito yung mga breakfast sa mga pagbe. Ito yung pinibigyan ni breakfast. Diri, wala ba ito naka-abre? Hindi man siya naka, ano ng wifi. Video lang. Video ba? Ako lang problema yan eh. Nakapatay yung wifi. Hindi naman. Nakapatay yung wifi niyan eh. Video lang naman yan. Yan mga 8. Oh 8? Ito maabot na pa ito mga 9. Mga 9 abot na rin. Eh di ako sa paghatag. Kuwan pa mga kuno. Oras. Alam si pa kuno. Kakapangani na. Dapat aga. Mayroon pa. Mayroon pa kakali na mag-ano no ba? Mainit.
Ay, no, kasi naman, dapat ka, no?
Last one. The last but not the least. Last not the last.
Kira kang kuya balan.
Ay, mabidyo.
Buka pa na. Buka. 1, 2, 3.
Sayang.
Diritan magbuwan kay Jerry Buwa. Naman, tawa. Kaya kita magtulong ko. buwan.
Nag-ML sa dito. Yaron.
Finish. Hello guys, luto na yung aking pancake. Tara, breakfast tayo.